Hi there, welcome. So in this super short video, I'm going to show you how I share events on direct LinkedIn. You can see here in Hootsuite that I have a bunch of upcoming events scheduled, however, none for LinkedIn. That's because we want to share the events within LinkedIn because we create events there in addition to Eventbrite. So the first thing, let's just pick one of the events here as an example. I'm going to pick this one. You can just copy whatever's on Eventbrite, meaning whatever's on Hootsuite. And let's copy this. Then this is the Rec Innovation Lab page on LinkedIn. Let's see all the events, find the event that we want. In this case, it's gonna be this one. And then you're gonna hit share in a post. You can get rid of all of this. Make sure it's the Rec Innovation Lab page, not your own personal. And then let's start tagging, right? So Jonah is the presenter. So I'm connected to him, so I know that's the correct Jonah. But in most cases, you're going to be tagging someone that you might not have met before. So you want to make sure that you're tagging the right person. Also, you want to tag all the companies that are mentioned here. This one I already checked, and that's the Handy that we're talking about. Postmates, everyone knows, and Lime, pretty famous company as well. And then next one, Startup San Diego. Let's tag them. That's easy. They're one of the rec partners, so they pop up first since I've tagged them many times before. Here on this paragraph, it's the same company, so no need to tag them again. And then the last thing that I do is tag the rec team. So Tanya, Crystal, Angela, Steven, Stephanie, and Jesse. You can also tag some of the rec students or really anyone else that you know will benefit from seeing this event. In this case, because we're talking about on-demand marketplaces, which includes dual-sided marketplaces, I'm going to tag some of the founders that I know have businesses that face this situation. For example, Till. Let's tag the co-founders here. And then I know Aaron also. Here he is. And then Ray. I know he also has something that's dual-sided. You kind of get the idea, right? So after you post, right now I'm not going to post it because I'm just doing it for the video. However, after you post, go back to the post and check all the tags just to make sure. Sometimes there's weird glitches that you think you checked, but then you didn't. So always make sure that you have the right tags, especially, being a presenter, you don't want to tag the wrong one. And if it's their company, their startup, sometimes it's going to be smaller. It's not going to be as big as Postmates, for example. So it might be a little harder to find it. So you're going to have to do some digging on LinkedIn. However, it's always important to have the in-text tags. That is extremely important because that's what makes people see the post. If you don't tag anyone or you don't tag any companies or nothing, no one's going to see it. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. Bye-bye.